Wall Street was cautiously optimistic last week. US and Chinese officials announced a long-awaited agreement on a Phase 1 trade deal. Traders breathed a sigh of relief but seemed reluctant to make more significant moves amid lack of clarity about the details of the agreement. The S&P 500 rose by 0.01% on Friday to 3,168.80. For the week, the S&P advanced by 1.6%. Encouraging developments on a truce, along with some clarity on Brexit, spurred an early rally in global stocks. Thus, the Dow added 0.01% on Friday to close at 28,135.38, ending 0.1% below its highest ever level from November 27th. For the week, it posted a 1.6% increase. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite climbed by 0.9% to finish at 8,734.88 on Friday. Week on week, the index gained 1.9%. The enthusiasm surrounding a trade deal has helped U.S. stocks record an exceptional year, with the S&P 500 up 26% and on pace for its best annual performance in years. However, the rally has been underpinned by the Federal Reserve, which has cut interest rates 3 times this year to shore up growth. Recently, the U.S. Central Bank kept rates steady and showed no appetite to raise them in the near term. Among last week's decliners, Netflix shares fell after an analyst said the company could lose 4 million subscribers in year 2020. Netflix slid by roughly 2% after Laura Martin, an analyst at Needham, downgraded the stock to underperform from hold. The downgrade centers on Needham's projection that Netflix will lose 4 million US subscribers in 2020 if it does not create a lower-cost subscription option on its platform. The stock slightly rebounded on Friday by 0.02% to 298.50. However, it did not manage to erase earlier losses, logging a 1.4% fall week on week. Technology stocks accounted for a big slice of the recent rally. Thus, Micron Technology jumped by 9.8% for the week. Over the past 6 months, Micron shares showcased a 57.88% increase. Analyst estimates state that Micron Technology stock could reach median target price of $59. Investors keep looking out for the next scheduled quarterly financial results that this company is expected to put out, which is slated to occur on 18th of December. Here are some key events to watch for this week. U.S. Federal Reserve District Bank presidents, including Robert Kaplan of Dallas, Eric Rosengren of Boston, and John Williams of New York, are scheduled to speak this week. Revised U.S. GDP data are due on Friday. On Friday, there will be also the simultaneous expiration date of stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures. Markets expect elevated trading volume. You've watched Weekly Financial Review on InstaTV. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.